Hello everyone, welcome to Max Brains. So in this video we are going to discuss with the food chapter for science paper 2 CTET December 2024. So we are seeing through the first chapter, that is food. So we are discussing the components of food. Okay, the first we saw about components of food, about various components of foods. We saw about carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and I also gave the comparison between these three: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. And today we'll be seeing about vitamins in this video. Okay, so vitamins or vitamins, how we may call. Okay, so what is this? So this the word vitamin was coined by the Polish-born biochemist. Okay, the chemist is from he's going to be a Polish-born biochemist. So his name is Casimir Funk. Okay, his name is Casimir Funk. So he was the one who coined the word vitamins. Now, so why do we need this? Vitamins, they are essential for growth and maintenance of the body. So we need to grow and we need to maintain our body, and for that we are in need of vitamins. So when these two are being done, there will be proper utilization of other nutrients. So when this is not going to be in proper amount, then utilization of other nutrients also might not happen. Okay, so now next we are going to see about the types of vitamins based on their solubility. So based on that, they are classified into two categories. The first one is called fat soluble vitamins, and the next one is called water soluble. Okay, so fat soluble, you can have vitamins A and D, and water soluble, you can have B complex and C. So this A and D are the ones which we are able to see in the in our vegetable oils and all. You can see that this is there. Okay, so when you see, a human body can synthesize only two vitamins D and K, so make so that the other vitamins are able to be got from food. Okay, so excess intake of fat soluble, so fat soluble are needed, but when they are going to be taken in excess, okay, you will get a condition called hypervitaminosis. Okay, so it is called as hypervitaminosis. So this is going to be a condition when you have excess of fat soluble vitamins. Okay, fat soluble vitamins. So I'll write the condition spelling. It is going to be hypervitaminosis. Okay, so this is there. So too much of vitamin A, it can lead to liver disorders. Likewise, too much of vitamin D can lead to kidney stones. So anything in excess is obviously going to be a problem. Okay, for example, if it is going to be deficient instead of hyper, you can say it is going to be hypo. Okay, so we need all these diets in the proper content. That's what we are supposed to know here. Now this is from the textbook, that is the NCR textbook. I've taken this. Okay, so this is what is given there. So what are the vitamins needed and what are the functions? So from where do we get each of the vitamins, and then what will happen if there is going to be deficiency of a particular vitamin, and how the symptoms are being shown. Okay, so all these things we need to remember, we need to know to find out if we are having the proper intake of vitamins or not. Okay, so we are able to see that vitamin A, B, C, D, calcium, iodine, and iron. So these are all certain vitamins or minerals. Okay, calcium, iodine, and iron are going to be the minerals which we need to know, and these are going to be the vitamins. So we'll be also seeing about minerals little more in detail in the next video. So these are all the main things which we need to remember. So vitamin A, you have papaya, carrot, mango, milk, and all. And for vitamin B, we have legumes, nuts, whole grains, seeds, milk products, etc. So under B complex, they're given only B1 here. Okay, so this we need to know. And then vitamin C, it's going to be amla, guava. So all those which we need to fight diseases. So this is something got to do with the immunity. Okay, and then likewise vitamin D. So vitamin D is for bones, you can say. Okay, this is for bones, and this is for heart and breathing and all those things, and this is for vision. Vitamin A is for vision, and calcium is again going to be for bones, and iodine is more related with thyroid, and iron is more related to blood. Okay, so we need more iron in the blood, the hemoglobin content and all those things. So all these we need. So what we will have in case of a deficiency, and how do those symptoms are being shown. So a more detailed version of all the vitamins alone I've given here. So what are the vitamins and their names also I've given here. This is not from your NCERT textbook, but still knowing something in extra is not going to be a trouble at all. Okay, so how, where do we get, and how the deficiency, so all those things are there. I would like you to take a screenshot as you're going to read this, or make a note of all these things somewhere, that it will be easy for you. Okay, so go through everything. So vitamin A, vision, green leafy vegetables, and then eye blindness, so that if you relate like this, it will be easy for you. Vitamin B1 is thiamine, B2 is riboflavin, B9 is folic acid, B12 is hydroxycobalamin, and vitamin C is ascorbic acid, D is calciferol. You can easily remember, okay? B is calcium, so calciferol, E is tocopherol, K is phylloquinone, okay? All these things are there. I would like you to go through all these concepts. Also download your NCERT textbook and have it aside as you prepare. I'm also giving extra concepts then and there, so that it will be easy for you. So for those who are preparing for paper one, science, the basics are obviously going to be there. I'm not going to deal with EVS topics right now, because we have all this to complete, and the percentage of people who are writing the paper 2 is likely more than those who are writing paper 1, as paper 1 is eligible only for those who have completed their diploma in teacher education. So I'm concentrating on child development pedagogy and science now. Slowly I'll also start the other subjects one by one as and when possible. See you again, other video. Thank you everyone.